All right, how's it going, everybody? I'm Shane from ForestFit. Today we're making a mango chicken that my fiance was so impressed with that she thought I'd paid a pro chef. But I am more proud of this Great British Bake Off rip-off intro. Looks awesome. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to need 4 chicken breasts, which you're going to dice up. We're going to need a red, yellow, and green pepper, which I didn't have a green pepper, so we're going to use just red and yellow. Now, check out my amazing technique. Becca wasn't impressed, so if we can get a lot of comments going on about what an incredible technique is, then I'd really appreciate it. It will literally save you seconds of your life. So watch what I do. I will make a circle around the top, like this. As soon as I meet the end of the circle, I will come down very, very gently, making sure I don't cut the right way through. Then I open it up and pull out the core and the seeds. There you go. Now you don't need to really de-seed it. Just cut out the little white bits that you don't need, and then dice up your pepper. There you go. Dicing up the pepper. Super, super fast. That's real time. Now, I'm terrible at cutting onions. I'm rubbish. So here is the finished product into a bowl. Boom. We need 3 of those onions. Then we're going to take our mango. This is where we got to do a little bit of learning now. We're going to cut off the cheeks and cut off the sides. So there is a pip in there, right? So I've met it there. So I cut diagonally from the top, and then there's a pretty easy way to get past the pip. If you've hit it like I did there, then you can just go over a little bit. It's absolutely fine. So there's the cheeks, off come the sides, and then there's going to be a middle bit left over that you can just nibble because you deserve it because you're cooking. And we're going to crisscross through the cheeks of the mango. And then it does this really cool pop and open thing that all the seconds that you've saved on cutting the pepper, you can use up here, just opening and closing a mango like I decided to do. This wasted my time. Then you're going to whisk together your stock and cider vinegar. And later on, the cornstarch and the paste is going to go in there as well, but just rest up on that for a minute. So 2/3 of chicken stock and 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar. That's all in there. See, this is why we crisscross the mango, because now it's going to scoop easier into your bowl. You'll probably need a spoon as well, but it just cuts off the majority of it. So here's 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and 4 tablespoons of curry paste. And that goes into your stock, and you want to mix all of that up. Then we're going to use coconut oil and then dump in your chicken, and you want to fry that until the chicken's not pink anymore. Transfer it to a plate, and then you want to put your peppers in the same oil that you've just cooked the chicken in. Remember to use all the peppers, like I forgot to do there. And then in goes our ginger. We're going to use just a tablespoon of vinegar, but I couldn't get my spoon in, so I needed to get a couple of teaspoons there. Right, then you're going to mix all of that up. Once that's all mixed in, you can add your chicken back in again, and your stock, and then your onions and your mango are ready to join the party. Mix it all in eventually. There's a lot of stuff going on there. Colour-wise, when that's got a green pepper, it's going to look a lot better. And there it is, served up with some infusion water. That's raspberry and mint there, which is in the season throughout July, so that's cool. And there you go. Enjoy your chicken and mango.